18 persons were arrested after Tuesday afternoon's disturbances on the University of Ghana campus. These individuals, who are reported to be former residents of the Commonwealth Hall, besieged their previous hall to be allowed entry. But luck was not on their side, as heavy security deployed to campus prevented them from accessing the halls. On Wednesday morning to noon, there was calm, with no presence of an aggrieved student demanding entry to the hall. Citi News checks at the Ghana Police Headquarters revealed that the arrested persons were yet to be granted bail. Leaders of the aggrieved former occupants of the Commonwealth Hall are currently putting in efforts to get the release of all the arrested persons. But management of the university tells Citi News some of the persons involved are not registered students of the institution.
People were taking the laws of the land into their own hands, saying that the injunction had not been respected, and so they were going to enforce the injunction. It doesn't make sense. I mean, we are not in a jungle. We live in a democracy where there is rule of law. And so if a court has granted an injunction and you think that the institution or the one that has been injuncted is not going according to the injunction, you go back to the court to ask or to cite the institution for contempt. If you are not a student and then you claim you are a student and you're causing mayhem, I mean, when you are taken to court, you prove your studentship. If you're not able to prove that you're a student, then the laws of the land deals with you. We have a lot of, we've sent some to you, we have a lot of evidence, video evidence to show, some of them confessing themselves that some people outside, some old students outside campus, and we'll deal with them according to the laws.
Meanwhile, leadership of the Students' Representative Council has condemned the actions of the security agencies in handling the matter.
The injunction came after the policy had been implemented. Now the issues are that there's a court ruling on the issue, but I don't even have the full facts on what the ruling is. I don't have the legal, and I may not be the best person legally to explain the court order. But the court order got to the university yesterday. Now the boys, the students went to Commonwealth yesterday to enforce the court order, and that is where the issues are. SRC was not informed of the problems they were facing. SRC was not informed about they going to do the court, or they going to request or enforce the court order before we realized there were clashes between Commonwealth boys and the police. And I may not have the facts. I'm sure investigations are still underway as to what exactly happened. But I'll use this opportunity to condemn any act of violence that happened yesterday, either on the part of the Commonwealth boys and either on the part of the police. I believe that we can use other means than violence to ensure that we all live in a law and order environment. As we speak, I'm not aware that any has been released. I was only aware of the arrest yesterday.